The AT-6 Texan, as it was known, the Navy called it the SNJ, 600 horses under the hood. Listen to them as they come by. The prop tips will go supersonic, and you will hear, yes, indeed, all 6 of the Geico Sky Tigers. Here comes the second flight. Has the smoke on, and he is now accelerating. Watch it now. Oh, this is going to be nice. Larry likes to cut grass, likes to stay right above it, too, on takeoff. Just watch this L-39, a sport jet. They actually flew them in Afghanistan and Iraq, and all over the Middle East. They had missiles and guns on it back then, but it was the primary trainer for the Russians. 17-year-old Larry says it's easy to maintain. I don't know if I believe it, but he says it is. The L-39, 2 seats. Required crew of just 1 person. It's 39 feet long. Larry's going to fly a very simple, that's his word, very simple routine for you today. He's going to do a loop, a Cuban 8, a barrel roll, a slow roll, and a 4-point roll. These are the basic aerobatic maneuvers that most student pilots would have to learn when starting to do aerobatics. It's an old-fashioned barn style maneuver. You'll see it here. As he comes in, like to show some. He's going to hold it up. Around 4 G's to do it correctly. So Larry weighing around 4 times his normal body. All the way around. He's going to float it over the top. He's just relax that control stick. Now comes the hard part. He's really starting to feel the G, especially right here. Now he's really feeling hard. 4 G's all the way around to this point in the sky. Like some people were concerned about Adam. He's the commentator. He'll be up here to tell you all about it. L-39 is going to go back behind the crowd. We got a little housekeeping issues here. We're going to take care of a T6 real quick. Now would be a great time, though, to tell you, as we land this T6 real quickly, then we'll get back to Larry. Larry's going to do a quick pass. Fast pass. George is saying now he can go ahead and continue. This T6 got a little issue. Just going to bring it in real quick. The SNJ returning back to Earth here. Sky Typer number 5, I'm told. No issue. Larry Labriola, smoke is coming back on from the left. This should be the big Cuban 8. So let's see if Larry pulls it off. Cuban 8, a vertical 8 in the sky is what it's going to look like. Yeah, he's really pulling hard right now to square this up. His goal is to make it look the same on the right as it does on the left. As he comes over the top, he's going to float it just a little bit. He's right over the top of the cloud. Now watch for the roll. There it is. Oh, so slow. Sets it right back up to the center point, though. Now watch the left side as Larry Labriola draws the left side of this giant figure 8, the Sky Cuban 8, as it was known, and still is. Someone asked him the other night, he said, Larry, how do you afford to fly this L-39 by being a lawn guy? And he said, well, A, I'm a very high-paid lawn man. But two, I've never been married, no wife and kids to pay for. The all goes to the airplane. 200 gallons of jet fuel per hour is what it takes to power that L-39. 200 gallons per hour. He likes about 4,000 feet to land, so not quite a football field. But watch him now on the right here as Larry comes back in for what I would like to call one of my favorite maneuvers anywhere. This is the barrel roll. A very challenging maneuver to make it look right. Here he is. It's a loop and a roll all in one. You see he's working on the upside there. Now he's starting to roll. We'll come back down. Just imagine the barrel out there. And he's rolling around. And Larry Labriola, 68 years young, performing for you today. Next, the hardest maneuver that you could probably do in an airplane to do well. It takes massive amounts of coordination. It looks so easy though, but it's not. I'm telling you, Larry, to do this maneuver in front of all these people that we have out here today, is difficult. Well, because when you do an aileron roll, you just hammer it over. I mean, full over on the stick, the thing goes around and it's done. When he rolls it over with the ailerons, he's gonna have to hold the nose level with the rudder. And then as he gets around the bottom side, he's trying to hold it level with the elevator. Watch. This is not easy, but Larry Labriola makes it look that way. The slow roll of the L-39. Now he's shown you that he can do the barrel roll, he can do the slow roll, but can he divide it up? This time he's going to do a little geometry. He's going to slice that 360-degree turn. Thought I was drunk. Ran into the fence, the barn pasture, everything. You name it, I hit it all. Watch him though. 4 points right here. It's hard to do. Larry makes it look easy. He's time for a loop. Not only the L-39, but the Newburgh Albatros, the G111, the DC-3, the C-500. Even as private pilot privileges for gliders, helicopters, and even hot air balloons. Larry, though, he's raced in Reno. As he said, he finished just a few up from the bottom. He was so happy just to finish, though. You can go to orangecountytourism.org to find out more of the endless activities in Orange County. Find your adventure in Orange County. Legoland. Right here in New York, opening in 2020, plus craft beverage options, West Point, Woodbury Common premium outlets, and many more. Visit orangetourism.org to learn more. That's orangetourism.org. Lots to see and do here at the show site as well. Don't run home hungry. Stay, grab something to eat on your way out. No sense letting mom do all the cooking tonight, or dad.
Stay over.
Larry's crew chief is down there, getting ready to meet him, I think. Here comes the flare. He's going to settle it down like an old maid, crawling into a soft feather bed. As you like to say, watch this. There it is, that trailing link landing gear. Just rolls on to the ground, causing a nice smooth landing for Larry and the L-39.